Good morning, children. How are you? Children, today again we will do an interesting topic. I hope you will like it for sure. So, children, I will start it with the rhyme. Hear the dogs bark, 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 and the bees buzz, buzz, buzz. Hear the birds chirp, 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 and the cats mew, mew, mew. Hear the horses neigh, 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 and the cows moo, moo, moo. Hear the pigs oink, 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 and the butterfly flapping its wings. These are the sounds of animals and birds. These are the sounds of animals and birds. So, I hope you know which topic I am going to explain. Yes, the name of the topic is Sounds of Animals. Children, as humans communicate with each other using language, communicate means to speak to each other. In the same way, animals and birds also communicate with each other with the help of different sounds. We use many words to describe the sounds made by animals and birds. Now, I am going to explain the sounds produced by animals and birds. So, listen carefully. Cat mews. Dog barks. Cow moos. Horse neighs. Elephant trumpets. Crow caws. Duck quacks. Snake hisses. Lion roars. Dove coos. So, I hope you liked the topic and you will also revise this topic at home. Thank you.